Hey y'all, we're back with another wig review and unboxing, and today we are working with, drumroll please, LADY Wigs. This is a brand that I love, y'all. This is 100% human hair, and y'all, this is their website where they have plenty of wigs to shop from. They have all different styles. They're all human hair wigs, and right now they have a special going on for Thanksgiving, and all the wigs are marked down, so y'all definitely check out their website. The link will be in my description down below. And look at this cute little bag they gave me. They gave me their true scalp bands that you put under your wig to help your lace look like scalp. And this is the unit right here, y'all. And y'all see that? Full frontal. This is their Kinky Straight Wig in 22 inches. And look how full this unit is, y'all. This unit is full. There's a full frontal on it. It's super thick. Like, this unit right here is so freaking bomb. Alright y'all, so let's get into this install. Y'all, this hair is so freaking cute. Like, I was just showing it like right there how it looks when it's just in its natural state. Only thing I did to this wig was like bleach the knots on it, pluck it, and then wash and condition it. And this is the texture of it, and it's just so full and pretty. Like, honestly, I would wear it like this just as like a blowout or something. Then I'm pushing it in the lace with my comb right here. Right here, just parting out my baby hair so that I can do like a natural kind of look. Y'all know how I like my baby hairs to be like all across my forehead sometimes and like very like short, you know. Y'all know how I be doing my baby hairs. But also, if y'all want to see the tutorial on that, there's like another detailed tutorial on that. But I will tell y'all how I'm doing it right now. Like, I'll walk y'all through it. So just cutting them out my face right now while the lace is melting. And then I'm taking my Re-Nutrients wax stick and just, you know, hot combing this wig in sections and getting the top flat. So this is just really helping to straighten out the roots and get the hair like really sleek. Look how good that looks. That is my scalp. So yeah, y'all see that it was getting really straight. And what I should have did with this unit, y'all, I think like a middle part silk press would have been so freaking cute on this wig because the thickness of it. I think it would have looked so realistic if I did like a silk press and maybe did like a no baby hair look. I think that would have been pressed out like so pretty and looked so realistic. And I think I honestly might try that with this wig later when I'm not busy like with other collabs. But I just love the fullness of this hair and the realness of it, and the lace is just amazing on here. Like, once I plucked it, it was like looking so realistic. And y'all know I'm just trimming it, shaping it to my face, and then trimming the ends just a little bit. And what I decided to do was wand curls. I thought wand curls would be really pretty because the hair is already really full and it has like a blow dry look, and I wanted to do some wand curls that kind of mimic like wand curling natural hair. So we doing wand curls here with a side part and baby hairs. And yeah, I'm just showing y'all this. When I tell y'all this had my arm hurting, like, I don't know what in my right mind provoked me to sit here and think I want to sit here and do wand curls on this whole head. But just know I was in pain, and I was like, you know what, I'm glad it's cute because girl, that pain, it was an arm workout for sure. And also, this thing burns me so bad, y'all. All those little circle dots that are like on my wrist are from this wand curler. I don't recommend this wand curler because there's not like a piece of silicone at the end of the wand. So if the wand even barely touches you, you getting burnt. And this wand is just dangerous, and I don't recommend it. I had a glove that went with it, but I lost that. But still, you will still get burned with this wand. So y'all just be careful when y'all doing this stuff, for real, because that stuff hurts. Alright, so once I finished wand curling the hair, I'm just going in and cutting off the lace. The lace was melting so good. Look at that, y'all. It was melting so freaking good. Like, it was giving scalp. Like, doesn't that look like scalp? so once the lace is cut off, we finna get into these baby hairs. This is the fun part, y'all, and y'all just gonna see how I do this. It's actually like easy. Like once you practice a few times and you start doing it, it's easy to do. So I'm just taking this right here, curling my baby hair, curling them all across. Even though with the little short ones up here, you don't really gotta curl them. First of all, some of them are like too short to curl, and I try to do it anyways, about to burn myself, but you don't really gotta curl them ones up there. And then taking my little brush right here and just literally brushing that into place. Like, that's why I just love curling my baby hairs, because they can just lay by itself and it looks fluffy, it's curled, it's super cute. So yeah, fixing up the part right here, cleaning it up. I think I over bleached the knots, which is why it's like looking so almost like bald right there. And I did eventually go in with like some mascara and fix that. But now I'm just taking my mousse and just shaping these edges. I just take my time on this part and just comb them, shape them, and brush them how I want them to lay. And yeah, you just kind of got to play around and get them how you want it. And I try to make mine not too long. Like I start with them long so I don't cut off too much, but I usually end up cutting off a good amount. But yeah, I like mine to be like shorter, because I just think it looks a little bit more realistic with long baby hairs. Like, it can look realistic if you do it right, but I just feel like it's easier to get your hairline to look like more natural, like it's coming out of your scalp when the baby hairs are shorter compared to when it's longer, because you really got to toy around with them when they're long and like make them shape your face right. So I just kind of cut them shorter. So right here, just swooping right there, taking my Fantasia holding spray. I love this stuff now. And just kind of helping to melt that and kind of hold that into place. I like that because it's kind of similar to Got To Be, but it's not as like harsh. Because you know when Got To Be gets hard, like your hair be hard, like it be really frozen, like freeze spray. But like this right here is like a little less, it's not that much of an extreme hold. You know, it's like a softer hold. And you can kind of brush it out and still make it fluffy if you want it to, but it'll still hold the shape. So definitely recommend getting that if you're doing wigs. And yeah, y'all see I'm just cutting more and more off and trying to make it look as natural as possible. And I think I like the way that turned out. I think I was done right here. And I was just fixing this up a little bit, even though that was cool too. I kind of like how it was giving like a little fluffy look and it wasn't laying down, but then I just kind of wanted to shape it a little bit more. So I just went in with my mousse and laid it down a little bit. And boom, isn't that so cute, y'all? That looks so cute to me. Like, I love doing my baby hairs like this, and I be telling people it's my real hair. So lady, y'all done did it again. Because I mean, like, I'm ready to go to the club at this point. Like, I'm ready to go out. Once I put me on a So Lady wig, I'm ready to go outside. Like, look how good I look. Like, what's the move? Come on now. Girl, what? So then I just had to go in and fix these roots, because I'm like, this is looking like a little bald headed over here. I'm like, girl, it's cute, but like, why I look bald headed? So went in and put a little bit of mascara on that, and I think that helped like fill that in a lot. Like, now it looks a lot more natural to me. And like, boom, this is the final product. Turned out super duper bomb. I love this right here, and I really wanted to go out after this. I wanted to put on a cute little dress and go out because my hair looks so cute. Like, this is my real hair. This kinky straight texture with these wand curls and these baby hairs was giving very much real natural hair. Like, yeah, I grew this out my scalp, and you can't tell me I didn't, period. So And at the beginning of this video, I talked about doing like a silk press on this wig, and I did actually end up doing that, and I'll insert some clips from that. It's from a different day, but I just wanted to include that in here. And yeah, this turned out really, really cute. I was going to do a middle part with this, y'all, but y'all saw in the beginning that I really did like over pluck this wig, and I literally plucked a hole in the middle of the lace, so I couldn't do a middle part, but this side part nonetheless turned out super, super cute. Definitely, y'all, shop this look. Thank you so Lady Wigs for this unit. Love this unit, love your company, and I love y'all. Thank y'all so much for watching this video, and I hope to see y'all in the next one. Make sure you subscribe, like, comment. Let me know what y'all think of this look in the comments, and if you made it this far down in the video, comment down a white heart for your girl, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.